Hi friends, I am glad to welcome you to the channel Go for a Walk. As you have already understood, we take walks in various places and talk about them in our videos. If you like nature, cozy places for walks and adventures, then you have come to the right place. We promise that you will get pleasure from our videos, new knowledge about nature, and useful tips for your next walk. We have a lot of interesting content for you if you like mountain walks, rivers and lakes, forests and fields, city parks and streets. We are constantly adding new videos so you can find something for yourself. We promise you will be interested in looking at relaxing walks in the forest, mountain walks, walks through the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, walks along the coast of seas and oceans, get to know the animal world better? Walk with us through the most beautiful countries in the world. And finally, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell to get notified about new videos. We are also active on social media, so follow us there and share your impressions of our walks.